amazing. Let's do it.
Okay, move on, move on.
We had a bit of a sloppy start, but we managed to get back into the fleet. 2 boats behind us, 1 right next to us.
Now the tough part will start, because now we're going upwind in a lot of breeze, so we'll be bouncy today.
And we had an issue with the tiller on the port rudder. Sorry, I eat at the same time that I speak to you.
Push down. It's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
I think it's not broken, but I can see where it hit.
Shit happens sometimes.
I think so far it's been a pretty tiring night. I think we've done about 10 different sail changes, and it's basically been inshore racing but all overnight. You know, we're already starting to feel the bounciness of the waves. You can feel the swell starting to roll in, and then that's kind of telling you that the bigger wind's going to come. So
I'm trying to edit, but the screen is just going from side to side. It's really hard to see anything. Actually starting to feel a little bit seasick. Never had that before, but
Seasickness?
Yes. Day number 2.
It's pretty rough. A lot of stamping and upwind waves. It's always nice. Just put a second reef. Oh, just put a second reef in. Looks pretty feisty out there. Look at that.
A bit disappointed right now after all the work to get to the start line in the past weeks. Our mainsail ripped. Anyway, puts us in a tough situation because now we cannot repair it.
Motion on the boat's pretty heinous. It's getting a bit windy out here now. Pretty messed up, so take one in, it should go left and we come back in.
He will cross ahead. boat. I can tell you when
It feels about right.
We have a new master rotation.
No.
Jay, breathe.
Noise. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Over 65.
Should we put sail ties on the main?
Routine's good.
Okay, zum Start.
Easier for you?
Yeah, exactly.
What was that?
So currently we're at Gibraltar Rock, entering the strait, looking at pretty strong headwinds and currents as well.
So we've got some carbon, we've got our mainsail that's flapping, and we need to try and make small battens just to stop the leech flapping. At the moment it's not a problem, but if the mainsail rips and breaks from flapping, then I think it could be a long way home.
Max, je pense.
I went through one package. I don't need it anymore now. Well, fingers crossed, but let's enjoy the moment.
Here's Tarifa. So we through the Strait of Gibraltar, and now we still have to deal with some fish farms and shallow spots, traffic. But yeah, we are through the first big landmark of the race.